day 6 of our Winter Critters advent calendar, the sock advent calendar. So today, day 6 is 6 moose a-dancing. And I very belatedly realized why 5 unicorns is just 5 unicorns. Because if you're singing the song, it would go, 5 unicorns. So it makes sense. I'm just slow on the uptake. But yeah, 6 moose a-dancing today, and isn't he cute? This should be a tall pair of socks, yay! So we're gonna go ahead and try and open it up. See if I can do it without the box cutter. Come on. Okay, I think because it tore through the line above it a little bit, I was able to, let's not lose the door entirely, but, okay, they're in here, so I'm going to very carefully, if I pull that door up anymore, it's going to lose the only corner it's dangling by, and I don't really want it to, like, be gone, so let me try and push it back in a little so we still got the image for while we do the rest of this calendar. Oh my god, look at them! Oh my god! Dude, they're so cute! And of course, it's making me think of Wally World, because I'm me. Of course I'm thinking of Wally World, but he's got ornaments on its antlers! Oh my god, he's got a little scarf! Oh my god! But the ornaments on the antlers, that one just kills me. Oh my gosh. These are so effing cute. I love it. I love it. Would I say they're my favorite pair of the whole thing, though? No, but they are awfully darn cute, and I'm going to very much enjoy wearing them. So, anyways, that was the update for this one. Just a quick little thing, as they always are. So anyways, you guys know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, everything and more. It's all down below. If you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, bye-bye.